Hello everyone, this is CA Sandeep Modi. From today, we are starting Excel trainings for students plus professionals. In this course, we will try to cover all the topics which are related to professional CA, CS, CMA, and the persons who are using Excel on a regular basis. So, on a in 2 days, we will upload one video on our channel. So, and all the suggestions and important topics you can write on the comment box. We will be happy to answer all your queries. So let's start with the first common topic of date which we face regularly in our day-to-day life. As you can see, maximum time dates are converted into a number format in table 1, as you can see. So how can we convert this date format, number format, into a date format? You have to select the complete column where data is there. After this, go under the tab home. From there, here you can select short date or long date as per your requirement. As you can see, numbers got converted into dates. This was the easy method of converting numbers into date. Second error which we face is that uh, number this is the right format of date, but as you can see, whenever the date is in the right format, it's on the right hand side, and it's whenever it is in the wrong format, it's on the left hand side. As you can easily notice that here also it's on the left hand side, and here somewhere it's in number, and here it's on the left hand side. So how can we rectify it? Select the complete date column and then go under the head data, text to column, delimiter, next, next, ddmmyy, finish. As you can see, date got rectified, and now you can convert the number into date format as home short date as per your requirement. Everything got converted into a date format. Now let's see one more method of rectifying date. Now, if the dates are wrong, it will not group itself properly. Let me show you what I meant. Now I have selected the date column. Now if you want to check the dates are in the right format or not, you can put that column into a filter like this. Under the home tab, sort and filter, I have inserted a filter. Now if dates are not proper, as you can see, the dates which are not proper do not club itself in the yearly format. As you might have noticed that this dates are in the number format and this is on the left hand side, so it's not in the right format. So how can we rectify everything? Select the complete column, short date. Now second which we want to select, only select the date part, date, text to column, delimiter, next, ddmmyy, finish. As you can see, all dates got rectified in this column. This is the easy and best way of identify whether the dates are in proper format or not. If they are in proper format, it will club itself, otherwise it will not club. Now let's move ahead. Suppose we want to, in a statutory audits, we want to club the data month wise. For example, we want to club April data. So one method of doing is we can write month wise like this and doing a copy paste, and then similarly we can do for May. But don't you think this is time consuming and chances of errors are too much? And for me it's time consuming and I make lot of errors doing like this. So how can we save this time and errors? So what is the method of converting day into a month? So in Excel there is a formula called text bracket open. Text formula takes two arguments. First is value and then in the format in which you want the data. So value is this, value as in date, which you want to convert into month. So first argument is over. Now comma. Second, in which format you want. I need an slash dash yy, bracket close. Here as you can see we got the answer and copy pasted the formula. This way you can easily get the month. If you want to, if you want full month, you can use for him. If you want dates or any other format, this can be helpful for you for getting the dates proper as per your returns. Thank you. Please like, subscribe our channel if you think this was useful, and we promise to bring all the videos related to Excel in very short time.